Hello, good evening, namaste, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Vicky, this is your host, Vinoti Parekh, extending a very warm welcome to all you lovely people present here. Well, firstly, at the outset, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you present here. Thank you for making Vicky such a success. And here's welcoming all of you to this gala entertainment night, which promises to be truly spectacular and exciting. And the entertainment that you shall be enjoying this evening is brought to you by Multibear, and the dinner that you shall be relishing on later on this evening by the Consulate General of Switzerland, who are celebrating 60 years of Indo-Swiss Treaty of Friendship. And kickstarting with this show, it's truly my honor and privilege to invite on stage CEO Jani. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Harish Jani on stage as I request him to say a few words to all of us present here.
Good evening. Let me, on behalf of Mozabear and Switzerland, welcome all of us. It was last year, exactly at this venue, that really we have been able to make that necessary impression in this industry. Last year, this evening,